Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Hotstar player and loading the content you want. Once playing, tap the video to reveal controls and locate the audio or subtitle icon. It often looks like a speaker or CC. Make sure the app or browser is updated and you are logged in, because older versions hide options. If the icon is missing, switch to full screen. Doing so exposes additional playback controls and forces the player to load available audio tracks. Once you open the audio menu, you will see available language tracks or formats. Select the one you want by tapping it. You do this because streaming files often include multiple tracks like English, Hindi, or dubbed regional languages, and different channel mixes such as stereo or 5. 1. If the track selection is empty, change video quality or reload the player to force metadata refresh. Make sure subtitles are not forced on a different track. Turning them off can reveal additional audio options. After selecting the audio track, confirm the change by pausing, seeking, or switching full screen to ensure it persists. This tells you the player applied the new track. If it reverts or options vanish, clear app cache, sign out and in, or reinstall the app, these steps reset local metadata. As a final tip, capture the video title, device model, app version, and a screenshot. Then contact Hotstar support if problems continue, because they can check server-side track availability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.